So this is the unboxing video of Marathon lab motor. How to use it. You will be demonstrating everything in this video. So what is this? This is actually a control box. This is not called a micro motor. It is called a control box from which you will control the speed. This is M4 motor. Just show me this, how the packing looks. This is the laboratory handpiece. This is a foot pedal. And this is stand. Now in this laboratory handpiece, this is called your micro motor with inbuilt handpiece. This itself is a micro motor with inbuilt handpiece in it. This is one complete unit, and this is your speed controller. Now just connect this. Will you help me to connect this? No, this is wrong, not the way. Here you will see the marking. Just show it here. Can you see this dot? This marking is there. You have to keep this marking upside and you have to connect it. Perfect. Just hold it. This is on off button. When I turn it on, the motor is on. Just focus it here. There is a button of F and H. If this button is on F, which is a foot control mode, and you on the motor, it will not start. Reason, it is on foot mode. If you want the motor to run on the hand mode, you have to switch it back to H mode. Now it is working in hand. Now you can change the speed. Okay. Now just pull out the bar from this motor. How you will remove the bar? This is a dummy bar. Always a dummy bar is inbuilt in the motor. Just remove the bar. Just focus it here. So you have to basically rotate this. You have to rotate. If you are holding it like this, you have to rotate it clockwise. The bar will come out. And when there is not a bar, this is a very important point. When there is not a bar inside the motor, you don't have to turn it off. Okay. Always a bar should be present, then only you have to lock. And if there is not bar, you don't have to play like this, because there is a bearing inside which gets deteriorated if you will do like this. So that's why a company is sending you a dummy bar inside. Otherwise this was not needed at all. But your machines are having, and always while running the motor also you have to ensure there is a bar inside it, and then just lock it. Then just try it by your hands. Perfect. Put it down. Perfect. Now we will connect a foot pedal. You just have to connect it here. Put it on foot mode F. Turn it on. Now just press it. It's working. Just show it. When you will press it, it will work. You can set the speed.
Between normal mode and foot pedal.
Foot pedal mode, whenever you will press it, because you will be working on your dental chair, suppose. Okay, you are doing some work. You want to cut it, you don't want to cut it. So you just have to put from your foot only. This will be downstairs in your foot. The wire is long. Okay. And just off it. There is a forward reverse also. You can do forward, reverse. Forward mode. Is it working? It's working on hand, right? Okay, this foot pedal was loose. Now it's working. Okay. Opposite direction, forward direction. Fine. Just turn off the video.